Welcome back to favorite cooking show, Drunk Amigos. Today we're not gonna teach you motherfucking shit. We're just gonna hang out and get drunk. Hey, baby.
Calm down, my friend.
Oh, this is okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hijo de su puta madre.
The job got real shitty.
Espera que te... Espera.
$19.40.
Damn.
I think it was about 2,000.
All right, we're about to let Big Papa out. We gotta cut his hair, make it look pretty for the ladies. I forgot the cologne, so I'm just gonna trim it.
Drunken cowboy for you. For your fucking haters that say he ain't country. How about that?
You know, it feels good to just hang around and let somebody do the cooking for the first time.
What can I say?
Hey, I'm happy to helping me do cows, so I'm good. My friends, I'm Drunken Cowboy. That's my farm right there. We're out here giving shots, and I gotta take a shot myself. Okay, this is open dinner. Today I'm gonna take it easy. You know why?
Y'all don't know why. We know.
Se mi sasquacho.
Tú fuiste el que. Yo estaba allá y la tenía aquí y tú fuiste el que. A ver, güey, pingas, más fuiste que le metiste la cara.
Ay, era pinche.
Talk to me, baby, like last night.
El aguacatito. Un aguacatito. Mira.
Lo que nunca.
Para que no nos regañen las viejas.
Envío desde Hermosillo, Sonora, de los campeones.
La mía no vino.
Well, we live in the farm. Salud, motherfucker. Ah, cabrón. Salud, motherfucker. I ain't drunk, man.
Me neither.
We had a great day today. We're gonna stop and get another bottle and go home.